Hey guys, today we're looking at a Stanley garage door opener. It's a chain and cable drive tube rail. The chain was sagging below the rail, so I tightened that up so it doesn't drag against the garage door. Most Stanleys are very loud, while this one is very quiet. Here is the wall button, just a regular Stanley door button. Let's run the operator. Let's close it. Some of the noise is just a vibration of the case. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please subscribe, leave a like, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.